Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel English Language and Literature. Today we will study about critical thinking. Critical thinking is the analysis of facts to form a judgment, the ability to think clear and rationally. Critical thinking is self-directed, self-disciplined, self-monitored and self-corrective. Critical thinking is a very important in the new knowledge economy. Critical thinking plays a critical role in evaluating new ideas, selecting the best ones. The ability to think clearly and rationally, critical thinking is very important, whatever we choose to do. Being able to think well and solve problems systematically is an asset for any career. Critical thinking improves presentation skill. It gives knowledge about what is wrong and what is right. Critical thinking is the foundation of science and democracy. It promotes creativity and it helps to think something new. It is also important for self-reflective. Now let's discuss different types of critical thinking. There are four main types of critical thinking: are observation, analysis, inference and prediction. Let's start from observation. A key type of critical thinking skill involves observation. You use this to gather information about a process. There are basically two types of observation: direct and participant. Direct observers try to engage with the process, while participants observers may interact. Number second is analysis. Analysis is another component of critical thinking. It is a way to evaluate what is that you observe. You can break down the components as well in analysis. Number third type of critical thinking is inference. The conclusion with the base of evidence. Inference is the manner in which people make informed conclusions and the method whereby people make conclusions based on what they assume to be true rather than what they learn. Last type of critical thinking is prediction. Critical thinkers may eventually come to a point when they have to apply what they knew either in thoughts or deeds. This type of critical thinking is called prediction. So guys, these were the types of critical thinking, and also I have tell you about the critical thinking and from some extent its importance. So if you have any question about the types of critical thinking or related to critical thinking, you can ask in comment box.